Good morning everyone, and thank you for taking the time to attend today's event. My name is Vivian and I am part of the business development team here at Belfast Met. I work very closely with Karishma, Diane and Lorna, and I am blessed this is one of the key sectors which Belfast Met has focused on to drive this sector, and it's also one that's very close to my heart because my daughter is pursuing her career in fashion design at the moment. So thank you to the Connected programme, which is funding this collaborative and networking event hosted here at the Innovation Factory. And I want to thank Shane, who'll be in later on this morning, and helping us promote this event and facilitating this wonderful venue today. We've gathered to talk about something that's not just about saving the planet, but about how sustainability is becoming a game changer for businesses, especially in the fashion and textile industry. We're all aware of how rapidly the fashion and textile industry has evolved, and there's a massive shift happening. And it's not just about what we wear, but it's about how we make it and where it comes from. Today, we're diving into sustainability and how it should be part of business's strategy and how it can be a key area for future growth. Sustainability isn't just a trendy buzzword, it's becoming a must-have for businesses wanting to stay relevant and thrive in today's market. The fashion and textile industry has one of the largest environmental footprints in the world, from textile waste to overproduction to carbon emissions involved in global supply chains. The good news is it's also one that is the most exciting places to innovate and make real change, and that's why we're here today, to listen to other stories. Consumers in Northern Ireland and the UK are now demanding more sustainable materials, more transparency and more accountability. Studies show that over 60% of UK shoppers are now looking for sustainable products when making purchasing decisions, and 70% of consumers believe that businesses should be doing more to reduce their environmental impact. That's a lot of businesses that can tap into this movement. This presents huge potential for the fashion and textile industry to lead the change on sustainability. Northern Ireland, as you know, already has a strong manufacturing heritage. We have the skills and the know-how to create sustainable, high-quality textiles that are made to last. The industry is waking up to this, and companies are beginning to shift their models towards circular fashion, ethical sourcing and sustainable production processes. We are here today to hear how local companies, Jack Kane and Waco, sustainability lead Hannah McElroy from Canine, and Dave Linton with his brand Madlog are approaching sustainability, bringing eco-conscious designs to the forefront, offering consumer stylish alternatives, workwear options without the environmental guilt. The UK government are now on board. New regulations like the extended producer responsibility for textiles, businesses are now being encouraged and soon required to rethink their entire product lifestyle, whether it's using less water, reducing waste, or designing clothes that can be reused or recycled. There's a big push to make the industry more sustainable, and businesses need to get ahead of the curve. Sustainability isn't just about being ethical, it's about tapping into this exciting new market. The global green fashion market is growing rapidly, and sustainable fashion is set to become a £2.3 billion industry in the UK by 2028. That's a real opportunity to innovate and lead in areas like sustainable fabrics, low impact dyeing processes and zero waste manufacturing. Research also shows that 73% of people are willing to spend more on brands that are committed to sustainability. So by integrating sustainability into your strategy, you're not just doing something good for the planet, there's potential for a stronger, more loyal customer base and positioning your brand for future growth. As we move forward with today's sessions and activities, think about how your business can play a sustainable role. Maybe you're a designer, a manufacturer, a retailer, or even consumer. Is there something that you can do to make the industry better? And that's what today's all about. It's about being connected. Let's talk to each other. There's going to be a breakout session, probably about 12:15. You all have sheets today, so it's about putting down your business, what it's about, what you can offer, what you need, and then what we're going to do on the flip charts is actually put your requests up or your information up, and we're going to see if we can connect within this room, okay? Today also provides the opportunity for us as Belfast Met employees to tell you a wee bit more about what we can offer your business. There's support programs through Innovate Us, Connected and Innovation vouchers from Invest NI, and we're here to help you, okay? So the agenda from today is we're going to hear from Waco first, then we're going to hear from Caneen Hannah McElroy. We'll have a breakout session, tea, coffee and something to eat at 12:10. We're going to hand over to Dave Linton at Madlug. We'll have a panel Q&A, a wrap up, and then there's lunch about 1:15. So a lot going on today. So thank you again for coming. Anybody needs the bathrooms, they are out the door and round to the right, and there are no planned evacuations today as well. So I can hand over now to Jack. Thank you so much.